Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save a video from the VLLO app without losing quality. First, make sure to open the VLLO app. Within it, you can either create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are on the editing page, please make sure to edit if you want, and after all the editing, tap on the export button given at the top right corner. You will be taken to the export page. By default, VLLO opens in the video option, which is what you will see. At the top, you can edit the file name if you want, and below that, check the export range and make sure that it is set to full video. After confirming, just below it, you will see folder location. You can either choose album or file depending on where you want to save your video. Now lastly, within the format option, make sure to tap on the arrow icon next to it. This is the important part for the quality. As first, make sure to set the resolution to high QST or 4K USD depending on your original video quality. Always try to match or go higher than the original resolution to avoid quality loss. Next, within the frame rate, please make sure to select the same frame rate as your original clip, such as 30 FPS or 60 FPS to keep the video smooth. Now within the video codecs, select H.265 for better quality with a small file size or H.264 for maximum compatibility across devices. Once everything is saved, tap on the export at the bottom. If you are using the free version, VLLO may ask you to watch ads before exporting. After the ad finishes, tap on the cross icon given at the top left corner. Now the export will start automatically and wait for the export to complete. And once done, you will see a confirmation message regarding that the video is saved, while the saved video is in the high quality with no visual quality loss. And that's it. You have successfully saved a video from VLLO without losing quality. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.